Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing, and today I have another trend alert for you guys. It's the Raise a Toast trend where users are lip syncing to an audio clip from the movie The Little Rascals, where Alfalfa is confessing his love to Darla, all while the music from the 27 videos TikTok trend plays behind. And then when Alfalfa says Darla, you actually say the person that you are dedicating the video to, and then a bunch of pictures and videos of you two together or just of them start playing, sort of like the 27 videos trend, but not 27. Some people are doing this with their best friends, family members, lovers, or even pets. But with this video trend, you need to record in TikTok while also uploading pictures and videos, and you're not able to do both of those in TikTok in the same video. TikTok just doesn't have this feature right now, so I'm going to show you how to edit this together using our free online video editor Kapwing and using a template we made using the exact TikTok sound, so you can just click the link in the description and start editing. But before we do that, we are going to record our footage. So the first thing that you're gonna do is lip sync the intro. I think the best way to do this is to have the audio playing on your laptop so that you can lip sync to the sound on the laptop while you record with your phone. That's all the new footage that you're going to need to gather, and now you're just going to go through your phone and look at all the videos and pictures that you have with this person, and then you're just going to highlight them and put them into a new folder. There's no magic number as with the 27 videos trend, so just do as many or as few as you want. And now it's time to start editing. Okay, hey guys, so when you click the first link in the description, it will take you to our Raise a Toast TikTok sound template. What you're gonna wanna do is sign into your account in the top right. You can sign in with Google or Facebook. It's completely free, and it'll just make it so that when you export, you don't have a watermark. Then you're just going to click edit this template. And then the first thing that you're gonna do is just erase all of this stuff on top. You don't need that, but make sure that you keep the sound. Then you can upload the footage that you have. So I just dragged it onto my desktop, and then I'm just going to drag it in. Then as you can see, it will start to upload everything here. So obviously you want the first clip to be the one of you lip syncing. That is the first clip in the trend. Then you're just gonna wanna make sure that it lines up with the audio here. Then what you're gonna wanna do is mute all of the videos that you uploaded. You can just click on them and drag the volume all the way to 0. This is just going to make it so that the only thing you hear is the sound from the trending sound. You can also pull this up if you have a bunch of clips so that you can see easier. I'm going to pull mine right next to this clip here. And then something that I'm going to do to make things easier is I'm going to go to settings up here, and then I'm going to click ripple mode on, and that'll make it so that when I make cuts, it will snap directly to where this video ends. Also, what I'm gonna do is start pulling these videos to the size of the screen. Because they were shot in horizontal, I still want them to be in vertical, so I'm just going to go like this. Also, if you want it more precise, you can click on a video, click crop, and then go to the 9:16, and then you can move it around here, and then you can readjust with your mouse. Obviously, these clips are way too long because I have to get a bunch of clips in like 10 seconds here. So what I'm going to do is just click this video and then click the split button, and then I'm going to delete this end of the video and then on to the next. Crop 9:16, and just keep them quite short so that I can get a variety. And then I'm just going to keep doing this with all of them. I'm going to keep cropping 9:16, choose the clip, and then split the ends of the clip off, delete, and keep going. Okay, so there you go. You just want to make sure you line it up to the end of the audio with the end of the video. Make sure they're all muted, make sure they're all in 9:16. And then when you're done, you can just click the export button here. And then as you can see, it is processing, and then you will just click download and download to your computer and then send it to your phone. Now you can go ahead and just upload your video to TikTok, but as a tip, I would definitely still use the trending sound. So just go ahead and use the sound, and you can mute that sound, or you can mute the original sound, or whatever, either one works. But that way your TikTok will be more discoverable because TikTok will think that you're using that trending sound, even though you actually applied it yourself outside of TikTok. And yeah, then you can just go ahead and post. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also make sure to check out our Discord where you can keep up with other Kapwingers and with the Kapwing staff like me. And also make sure to check out the TikTok where I am posting silly little videos and keeping up with trends just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.